And here we are with the Peak. Stock on the 2S battery that's provided. Going full speed here. Definitely not going to break any land speed records with this one. But it is full drive. So it is kind of fun to drive. It's picked up a hitchhiker. I can see it rubbing on the wheels. It looks like it's gone. Very bouncy. Now the interesting thing about this car is that they said that it could reach 45 kilometers an hour, I think it said on the box, with an optional 3S battery. And look, I've got hundreds of batteries at my house for various different types of RCs, cars, boats, planes, you name it. And I cannot find a 3S battery that will fit in there unless I strap it to the outside of the chassis. So I'm not entirely sure what 3S battery you're supposed to use, but I couldn't find one that fitted. So I might have to get in contact with Hobbies Direct on this one and see if they have a specific battery that would actually work on this thing. For now, let's see how it jumps. Alright, let's see how these tyres grip here on this terrain. I mean, being four-wheel drive, it's probably not going to be too bad. They are a hard compound. It jumps okay. It did all three jumps pretty well. Yeah, the four-wheel drive is definitely helping. Not very fast. Let's see if we can get a couple more jumps in here. And we'll move on to the grass. Yeah. It seems to be okay. It's a little bouncy. It does quite nice. You can definitely hear the hard compound on that gravel. With the four-wheel drive going, it actually drives pretty well. Now this does have a slow speed on the radio. There's a little low speed switch just here, so if we flick that to low, oh wow, yeah, that's about half speed. That's full throttle right there. So definitely ideal for younglings. Anybody that's really not had any experience with driving an RC car will be fine at this speed. And then you flick it back to high and you can see definitely picks up a little bit more. I was hoping you could do like a little wheelie. Oh, it does. If you roll it back, you can get a little wheelie happening. That's pretty cool. Yeah, four-wheel drive is definitely a big help here, but I'll tell you what, I've driven four-wheel drives with worse tyres that are a lot harder to control, and this one's not hard to control at all. Very cool little car. I think for a beginner, first timer, very simple layout, comes with everything in the box, has a 2-speed switch. Can't really fault it. It's got LED lights and everything. What more could you want? Well, there you have it. That's the Peak. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.